Hello everyone, this is Karin Dasan. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to tell if you are suffering from a herniated disc. So if you like the video related to my health, my way, I would like to request you all, please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. This go. How to tell if you are suffering from a herniated disc. We use our back for lots of activities, probably more than we realize. When we lift, bend, walk, climb stairs, even sit still, the back plays a pivotal role. It's no real surprise then that back pain is one of the most common medical complaints among both men and women in the US, as well as a major cause of work absence and disability. Lots of issues can cause back pain, but two of the most common causes are muscle strain and herniated disc. Both conditions have different causes and both require very different types of treatment. But how can you tell whether the pain you are experiencing is due to strain or if it's from a herniated disc? The first step is to know what symptoms you look for. Herniated disc symptoms. A herniated disc occur when one of the spongy discs located between each pair of spine bones gets squeezed out of its normal position and bulges outward. Beyond the edge of the bones, the bulging or herniated part of the disc presses on nerves as they exit the spine, resulting in pain and other symptoms. Since herniated discs involve nerve compression, the symptoms they cause can feel a lot different from the symptoms associated with muscle strain. Here's how to tell if your back pain might be caused by a herniated disc. Your symptoms extend from your neck or lower back into your shoulder, arms, buttocks, or legs. When the nerves exit your spine, they travel to other parts of your body. Since a herniated disc presses on these nerves, you can experience pain and other symptoms anywhere along that nerve pathway, even all the way down to your hands or calves. You are experiencing numbness, tingling, or shock like bursts of pain since your nerves are responsible for sensation. When a nerve is compressed, it can interfere with your ability to feel, and it can also cause electricity like jolts or discomfort along the nerve pathway. Your symptoms are focused around your neck and shoulders or your lower back and buttocks. The lower back and necks are the most flexible part of your spine, and they are also where most herniated discs occur. While pain in your mid back may be related to your disc, it's more likely caused by a muscle strain or other issues. Your symptoms feel worse when you bend or straighten up from a bent position. Movement can increase pressure on the herniated disc and the surrounding nerves, causing symptoms to increase. Many people find that sitting or lying in a specific position makes their pain worse as well. You have muscle weakness or muscle fatigue in your arms, hand, or leg. Your nerves also control muscle movement, so if a nerve is compressed, your muscle can also be affected. Herniated disc can occur in just about anyone, but they are more common among people who are older, obese or overweight, pregnant, inclined to stand or sit for a long period of time, mostly sedentary. Repetitive movements like bending or lifting, as well as carrying unbalanced loads like a heavy backpack or shoulder bag, can also increase your risk for developing a herniated disc. Get relief for your back pain. Of course, the only real way to know what's causing your back pain is to have a medical evaluation of your back and your symptoms at Premier Spine Institute uses advanced diagnostic to determine the specific cause of back pain so every patient can feel confident. They will receive the most appropriate care for optimal relief to find out what causing your back pain and how to relieve it. So that's all about the back pain in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely come in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye and take care.